Efficient import of data is essential for programming complex and high densely populated boards. With Works programming, you can easily import files like CAD or ODB++ format. ODB++ format typically contains all necessary data what you need for programming such complex boards. SIPLACE Pro for sure supports ODB++. So let's have a look how easily this works. So now you can see the screen, and yeah, you just have to open the ODB++ file, select it, and the Works programming does all the rest. And now you can see your board, including silk screen and also already the components.